Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an ID.me account. This is helpful because ID.me is used for secure sign-ins, and once your account is set up, you can log in and verify it's really you when a site asks for it. So first go to the official website v.o.com. So the right corner, click sign in. Next choose ID.me, and then after that you'll see the sign up section. So in here, enter your email and password and then confirm your password. So make sure your password is strong. It must have at least 8 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, and at least one number. So also avoid common or easy password like ABC or 311s. Also, don't use personal dates like your birthday, parts of your email, or the same password that you use for other accounts like your bank or email. And once you enter your details, it will send a 6-digit code to your email. So open your email, copy the code, then enter it on the screen. Now you'll see something about multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication is an extra layer of protection for your sign-in. It helps make sure it's really you using the account and not someone pretending to be you. So choose the most secure method that you know you'll be able to use. And just remember, if you lose your multi-factor authentication method, you'll have to go through the steps to recover your account. And after that, it will ask you to enter another 6-digit code that will be sent to your phone number. Type in the code, then continue. Once that's done, you should see a success message. And finally, you can give permission to allow it to send you emails. And that's it. Your ID.me account is now created. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment, and share, and see you on the next video.